Hi everyone, welcome back to Reaction with director Carson. For the next of Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 24. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Late fees.
Tails, I need jumper cables.
Looks like Sonic needs tools.
You got any duct tape?
Duct tape is good enough to hold stuffing.
Battery.
Antimatter or self-generating?
I don't know, something with a lot of juice.
Antimatter is on the top shelf behind the video games.
Thanks. Initiate spinning blades of death.
Spinning blades of death? Sounds like it's spinning. You'll get so dizzy.
Activating hyper mode.
On Sonic, I don't think you're supposed to do that. That makes Knuckles so dizzy.
Sonic, did you return the book I lent you to the library?
Not yet.
It's due today.
Due today?
If you return it on time, I'll have to pay late fees, Sonic. Late
Whoa,
fees.
that sounds bad. To pay it for it.
Not a problem.
You okay, Knuckles? You feel so dizzy.
Find something. I retraced my steps.
Okay, what did I do yesterday?
Crashed. Good photos with Amy, Sonic. Right over there, Sonic.
Oh yeah, that's where I left it.
That's right.
Got it.
Nice. But why'd you bring it back here instead of taking it straight to the library?
Because you were part of the team that helped me track it down, and I wanted you to share in the glory of this victory. And I didn't think of that.
I feel glorious and victorious. Now get going. The library closes in 7 minutes.
7 minutes?
Not a
You
problem.
use your speed to go there, Sonic. Easy.
I feel glorious too. No, wait, that's nauseous. 7 minutes? I'll get this to the library in 10 seconds. Then I'll have 6 minutes and 50 seconds to eat a chili dog, kick back on the beach, and read a book, which I'll no longer have, but still. After you. No, please, after you. I have all the time in the world. Oh, I thought the same thing when I was your age, Sonny.
Sonic, you don't have to do that. That old man was slow to walk.
Did I ever tell you about the time I got a soda out of the vending machine without putting money in? No, we just met. Oh, it was the best day of my life.
Best day of your life. Sounds so best. There you go, Sonic.
Going fishing?
For the aliens. I dreamt about badminton teacups last night, and you know what that means.
What's that mean?
Pretend for a second that I don't.
It means aliens are coming!
Whoa.
To a badminton tea party, but I'm not taking any chances.
Well, good luck with that.
See ya, 6. Now go, Sonic.
Don't mind if I do.
Yep, it's your lunchtime.
I'm not sure what I want. There are so many choices. Should I have a mad burger? Or a mad burger with cheese? Or a double mad burger? Or a double mad burger with cheese? Or a super mad burger? Or a super mad burger with cheese? I know. I have a hot dog. But should I have a hot dog with sauerkraut? Or a hot dog with onion? Or a hot dog with mustard? Or a hot dog with...
How about a chili dog?
Actually, a chili dog sounds delicious.
Would you like something to drink with that?
Something to drink? Should I have a soda? Or a water? Or a shake? Or a juice?
Juice! Have juice. Everyone loves juice.
Yeah, Sonic.
I had
That's
to.
right.
He doesn't want anything else.
You cut in front of Motobug. He was holding my place while I was in the little villain's room.
I'm sorry, Egghead. I didn't see him. Go ahead.
No, please. You're Sonic the Hedgehog. You deserve to be next. Go on. I insist.
Well, my
Well, Sonic, you're good.
Thanks,
Dr.
Egghead.
Eggman will let you
What's
do
your
that.
please?
I'd like a chili dog with extra relish.
Sorry, we're sold out.
Sorry for you, Dr. Eggman.
No, I don't want a bite. I want my own.
We have some at the warehouse 2 villages over. Huh. Be right back.
Did I ever tell you about the time I got a free soda? Yes.
Once again, it was a good idea to go around that person, Sonic.
There it is. Do you mind if I go first? I'm in kind of a...
Did I ever tell you about the time I found some money on the street?
You gotta be. No, we just met.
I used the money to buy a soda, so it was like...
It's like the old man.
Free.
Now you can go, Sonic. Again.
I wish I liked soda.
I asked for extra relish.
Sorry, Dr. Eggman. Too late.
You got me thinking, Sonny. Today's the day. I'm headed home to drink my soda.
Just like the old lady.
Gotcha, alien.
Sticks? That's not alien, that's Sonic.
You're not an alien.
Really? You think? Get me out of here, Sticks.
Okay. Which one was it again?
You gotta be kidding me.
You better hurry, Sticks. Sonic is wasting his time.
You're welcome.
Plenty of time. Oh, come on!
I need a straw.
Sonic! I have a flat tire and I'm late getting back to my home to feed my children. Can you help me fix it?
I have a book to return, then I'll come back. I promise. 2 minutes, tops.
Oh, that's okay. Growing children don't need nutrition. It just keeps them healthy and stops their bones from getting brittle. I'll just fix this flat myself. My sciatica is flaring up, but I'm sure I'll only be laid up for a week or so. You go return your book while I struggle painfully and injure myself.
You go ahead, Sonic. It's up to ya. Yeah, that's right. Always up to ya.
Done. Book, please.
Whoa, you okay, Sonic? Dr. Eggman!
I ran to the warehouse and got you your own chili dog. Doesn't that count for anything?
No, you ruined my chili dog moment.
Okay, fine. I'm happy to battle you over this, but can you give me a second to return this library book first?
I'll show you exactly the same consideration you showed me. None consideration.
The book! Not those 3 robots from Season 1, Episode 4.
Besides, I'm sure you'll think twice about cutting in line next time.
Oh, did someone get pushed to the back of the line one too many times in elementary school?
It was middle school. And those girls were vicious. Minions, attack!
We got your back.
Ice catch sticks. Wow, nice tricks, Tails, is to win them to ram over Dr. Eggman.
Still plenty of time to get to the library. Okay, where's the book?
You mean my book?
Wait,
The one you were
Amy,
supposed to
your
return
book
that you
is
said was
yours?
not a problem?
I still have 30 seconds. We're fine. Give me that.
But pictures.
Sorry, Knuckles,
See?
you'll get
10
your own
seconds to
book.
spare.
We're closed.
No, you're not. There's 7 seconds left.
I closed early. I'm taking my assistant to get some of those chili dogs.
Chili dog! Thanks, Egghead.
Dr. Eggman said, no problem.
Told you I'd get it here on time.
Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 24. Late Fees, the end. So everyone, don't forget like and subscribe so I'll make some more videos before I had to go. In the other words, you'll get your own chili dog for your lunch. So, goodbye.